you take pride in your vehicle? Do you like to go to car shows? Well, if you said yes, then I'm sure you probably already know that your engine will not run without oil. Now, there are many lubricants on the market, but there is only one unique, intelligent nano lubricant that you can trust to save the life of your engine. Introducing Atomium, the newest product by the innovative corporation Suprotec USA. Now let us prove to you why our product is so different.
Is there a way to prolong the life of an engine? As many people know, the most valuable and costly part of the car is its body. In fact, it doesn't seem to have the most problems, and there are lots of products on the market that can protect it from corrosion. But what to do with a transmission or an engine? Inevitably, there are a handful of products to take care of this job as well. To take for an example the well-known product Suprotec. Today, we will try to fully deplete an engine's lifespan. It could be an old car, used one, or a new vehicle. For this experiment, we are taking a car to an auto repair shop and we are completely draining out oil from the engine. However, the employees are giggling, knowing that we are going to drive a car without oil on the streets of New York City. To play fair, we agreed to completely cover the oil socket with paint. So even if we were to use oil, it would be very evident we were trying to cheat. Most likely the average driver from Texas visiting an auto show noticed vehicles on display with an open engine and its open head gasket and oil pan. And amazingly, an engine is working without the oil. This is so-called the world-class demonstrations provided by Suprotec. However, I was not impressed. I personally always use the life's simplest lesson. Don't interrupt the mechanism. As stated by the developers, Suprotec significantly increases the resource of engine parts. But what is more interesting, that without the help of precise devices, we were able to understand that Suprotec in fact works. Certainly, I questioned this product. What actually happens to the engine during the process? When you are purchasing a vehicle, Suprotec is the only product that owners can benefit from. Suprotec will prolong the life of an engine and the vehicle's mechanisms and transmission for years ahead, and will limit the spending on auto repairs of the vehicle. For instance, at the moment when the engine is overworking, Suprotec can help, and it will minimize the wear and tear on auto parts. Certainly, we never recommend to drive without an engine oil. However, we can demonstrate the level of reliability with the help of Suprotec. We are certain this is a great product for the protection of an engine, and it is proven to be a safe and reliable product in the most extreme situations. Every specialist knows that any working engine can't possibly work for a long period of time without engine oil. Now, we're finally on the road with Suprotec product applied, and not a drop of oil in the engine. We are patiently waiting to see if it is possible for the car to run all day on the road. We now take our journey all the way from Hamptons, Long Island to New York City, Manhattan. We had to make a short stop in Brooklyn. Despite that the car can run without oil, it cannot run without gas. I think that the engineers from Suprotec have to take that into consideration and come up with such a discovery. Okay, jokes aside, let's keep moving. As we approach a proper speed zone and keep blending in with the rest of the cars, check oil light is on. Finally reaching our goal, moving around 40 to 45 miles per hour. After all, it is a bit uncomfortable driving, knowing that the engine has no oil. On the other hand, fully convinced of the Suprotec reliable qualities.
I own a 2010 Range Rover Supercharged. I use Suprotec. It's giving me better gas consumption, more fuel efficient, quieter engine, and I use less oil changes. My wife uses it on her car. We love it. Go Suprotec.
For some movement, we forgot that engine is working in an extreme mode, and it was working and working despite the possible negative outcomes.
I'm driving a 2010 Jaguar XKR. With this product, I get better engine performance, I get better gas mileage, and I also could skip a couple oil changes. When I got introduced to this product, it saved me a couple $1,000s. This product is great, and I definitely recommend it.
We have used a lot of gas that day, covering city streets and highways in a total of about 300 miles.
Suprotec. I've been using this product since 2009 on my Lincoln MKZ. I put it in as soon as I bought the car. This particular product is giving me better gas mileage. It's made the car run better. I mean, it was a new car. It's still running like a new car. I'm 55,000 miles in. I've skipped a couple oil changes, and I'm a firm believer that this is the reason why. Suprotec. Go out and look for it. It'll really make a difference.
We got back fairly quickly, and we're very anxious to see how this journey impacted rod-bearing connection. As it turned out, after this experiment, the rod was perfectly fine and even had a fairly evident thin layer of oil lubricant. What I can constitute at the end is that Suprotec in this difficult experiment showed remarkable results. As said by the developers, the benefits of the product is based on the active ingredients that forming special structures on the surface of the parts called the layer of the third body. As the temperature rises on the surface of the parts, a metal carbonized powder eliminates dirt. As a result, it creates a self-repairing layer on the surface of the parts that helps engines operate smoothly. You can also save 15% on gas with the use of this product. If it is a new engine, this product has less benefits. However, you can still prolong the life of an engine by simply adding Suprotec into your engine. Also, Suprotec decreases toxins that are produced by vehicles. The most important question is, should Suprotec be used in the transmissions and engines? Yes, definitely. Suprotec shows many positive and valuable characteristics and benefits. Ecological, financial, improves engine power, and positively affects on the engine's lifespan. Suprotec also has many different products suitable for any transmission type. Suprotec is a very great product on the market for car owners. Nonetheless, Suprotec cannot make your engine work forever, but it can protect it for a long time.
So as you can see, by using the nano lubricant atomium, the engine still performs efficiently.